Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use NFTs in Trust Wallet. First, download and install the official Trust Wallet application on your mobile device. Next, create a new wallet or import an existing one using your recovery phrase. It's crucial to keep your recovery phrase secure. Finally, ensure you have a small amount of cryptocurrency, like Ethereum or BNB, in your wallet to cover any potential network fees for transactions. This setup is essential before you start interacting with NFTs. Receiving non-fungible tokens in your Trust wallet is straightforward. First, navigate to the Receive tab within your wallet and select the correct blockchain, such as Ethereum or Polygon. Copy your unique public wallet address. Then, provide this address to the person or platform sending you the non-fungible token. Always double-check the address to prevent errors. Once sent, you can monitor the transaction's progress on a blockchain explorer using the transaction hash. Your non-fungible token will appear shortly. Once your non-fungible tokens arrive, viewing them in Trust Wallet is simple. Head over to the Collectibles or NFTs tab, usually found at the bottom of your wallet interface. Here, you'll see all your digital assets displayed with their unique images and associated details. You can tap on each non-fungible token to view more information, such as its contract address, token ID, and any specific attributes. This section provides a clear overview of your entire non-fungible token collection. To send a non-fungible token, go to your Collectibles tab, select the specific non-fungible token, and tap Send. You'll need the recipient's exact wallet address. Always verify it carefully to avoid losing your asset. Confirm the transaction details and approve it, keeping in mind the network fees. For those looking to deepen their financial understanding, there's a fantastic resource available. Check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals we've found for you. Happy collecting!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.